Hello everyone, this is our next video of ipsec VPN configuration series. So in the previous video of the packet capture, we have captured from source A to the destination B on the interface Ethernet 1/2 so that we can troubleshoot the any connectivity issues on the VPNs. Today video I will show you the ipsec packets. We understand from theory that in ipsec we have a main mode, aggressive mode in the phase 1, quick mode in the phase 2, and in the main mode there are 6 packets. In the aggressive mode there are 3 packets. Quick mode there are three packets also. So those packet verification we will see today, so that whatever we learn it is true or not. So what I will do, I am on the Palo Alto firewall. I have taken Palo Alto firewall on SSH, and before that I will just click this Fortinet firewall Ethernet 1 port 2. Just I click the OK. So I can show this thing from Palo Alto, whether from Fortinet, both will be the same. So now there are some traffic is going on that are the DNS traffics, which we don't care actually. Now we will click on the Palo Alto, and this is commands to, I have entered the clear VPN ike-sa gateway and the gateway name, and then I will try to clear the SA. So after that I will stop it. So why I have performed these actions? So that I can clear my phase 1 and phase 2 SA, so that firewall will renegotiate to create a new SA, and we will see those packets. So now we just enter it, and now we can see the packets here. We have a 6 packet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I can take from here. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have clearly see this. We have a 6 packets in the main mode. So what are packets is contain? So let's click on the first packet of the main mode. So clear, let's try to drop down and let's expand more. So we can see these are the ipsec, net, ike v2, ike v3. These are the payload vendors. So I am on the packet 1. I am on the packet 1 of the ike-sa main mode. So we are exploring that what are the components if there. So let's explore the IP packet. In what is the is an IP packet? Source and destination is there. So let's close it. What is in the UDP packet? UDP 500. UDP source and destination is the 500. Let's click on the I key management. So we can see that we are using the version 1. So it is here. We are on the I version 1, and these are the payload security association and payload ID. This is the payload things. RFC is 3706. That is for the DPD. So these are the informations are available in the phase packets. In the phase 2, same information is also available. This is also security associations. And now we can see this is the flags. Payload proposal 2. So this is the second packet. This is also ike. So we have seen these packets on the phase 1. These are all the phase 1 packet. What I will do, I will just start it again. Okay, let me start from that capture and port 2. So we see that our main modes packets, 6 packets, and now we will see the ESP packets. So we are trying to understand the ESP packets. Now main mode we have tested. So let's click on this router and try to initiate a ping. So let's close it. Main mode, we verified that, and now we have seen the ike-sa quick mode. So these 3 packets for the quick mode, we already have seen that. And now we can see the what are the IP packets is there. Source and destination is there. These are the UDP protocols 500. And now we have the initiator SPI and a responder SPI on the quick mode first packet. So this is the 3 packets of the quick mode which we have seen on the Wireshark. 1, 2, 3. So I can verify from pointer also 1, 2, 3. And if we click those packets, we'll get more on the packet level kind of things, whatever we studied on the theory sessions. And after the phase 2 SPI exchange, now this ESP protocol come into picture and communications are encrypted using SPI, using ESP protocol with SPI, security parameter index. So this is for the SPI for the both directions 7B3 and 7B3, 7B3, 7B3. So whenever we are receiving traffic from the 111, they are using B3. I'm taking last digit SPI, and when this 2221, then 4A is the SPI. So we have also confirmed that we can also confirm that using the SPI value, they have identified the uniqueness of the connection. So till now we have seen the IPsec VPN packets. So on the Wireshark. So from firewall, what we can do, so we understand we are in the lab scenario. So from here I can do the right click and capture, but in real scenario it won't happen. So for that I will show on this video how to take captures for the IPsec packets on the Palo Alto, and in the next video I will create the same kind of simulation for the FortiGate firewall, that packet captures on the FortiGate firewall. So I will click on the manage filter. So here I have added the bidirectional when source is 4 times 1 and when source is the 3 times 2 and 1. So I have already added the conditions. So how we can add the conditions, source and destination, I have already covered on the previous video. So you can refer this video now. For now, let's turn on the capture because I have already added the stages. So before turning on, I need to do one thing that is important now. I need to again clear the assay so that we can get the actual results. So give me a minute, just I will rebound it and then I will enable the capture and then we can see that. Give me a minute. It is somehow it is not pinging. Yeah, let me check from the Fortinet side. What is the IP of the Fortinet? Let's see. So sometimes this happen during the labs. These tunnels are not able to form it. Let me see why it is not able to create it. I just click on the, let me try to clear this way also. Phase 2 and phase 1, and then I will try to again ping to see if it's working or not. Yeah, it is start working. Might be that I have cleared the phase 1 and not cleared the phase 2, so that's the reason. So I can close this Fortinet, and now I have to turn on the capture and then clear the all sessions. Now I have start the captures and I First ike-sa 1 and ipsec. So I have cleared the both phase 1 and phase 2 SA. Let me do the refresh. Maybe we can see that some packets will definitely be there. And after that, I will try to ping that so that they can renegotiate for the ESP. So we can turn off the packet capture. Let's download it. So I have downloaded the firewall pcap. So let's open it. Whatever we have. Yeah, we can clearly see this on the 6 packet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 packet of the quick mode. And during the theory session, I have explained this about the informational packet also. What is the meaning of the informational packets? So if I open this phase 1, so we can see this payload what we have, that phase 1 main mode packet 1 or proposal 1. So these informations are is available. So in the firewall packet we can see this ipsec packets. So in the previous method I just turn on the capture from this EVNG portal or EVNG software where I have to take the from a specific port. But I do understand that this is not possible in the real scenario. That's the reason I have started captures on the firewall so that I can demonstrate how you have to perform in the real scenarios for the ipsec packet capture. So how you can apply the captures. So we can see these packets. This is the ESP packets which we see on the when I enable directly. So during the your live environment, so if you want to troubleshoot any issues related to the ipsec, so you need to add the both side of the WAN addresses, WAN IP address, source and destination, and reverse direction also. Take the all stages and reset the connections. If you have any ipsec SA is already there, you can reset it, and then we can try to capture. So we can see that what are the phase 1 negotiation status, what are the phase 2 negotiation status. We will see the clearly things. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed very much. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button and subscribe Firewall Expert so that you can is always connected to this type of video. In the next video, I will create a video for the packet captures on the Fortinet Firewall. How we can perform the packet capture for the two things. First thing, from LAN to LAN situation. So here I will take this source to this source, this 30.10. First situation will be this, and the second situation will be for the ipsec capture. This will be the first situation, and in the second situation this will from this to this 4 times 1. So here we will see the ipsec packet ESP plus phase 1 phase 2. Here we will see the local connectivity. So this thing we will perform on the upcoming video that will totally focused on the Fortinet firewall. Thank you so much watching for this video.